So last night I arrived back into Montreal, and this afternoon I'm going back to the airport and flying to Sydney. So that means laundry and repacking everything and getting rid of the stuff I don't want to take. So that is what I'm currently doing. A little bit stressful. I have to go get a COVID test, which actually I'm gonna go book now. Ah! Breakfast. I arrived in Sydney a few hours ago and I am so excited to be home. Just like boarding the flight and hearing Australian voices, and I'm like, The weather is horrendous. We're going to breakfast just down at the boathouse near our house. So we have a good coffee.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your like the sound. Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my.
So I just got my eyebrows done. A little aggressive, but they will soften. Jesus Christ. We're gonna have lunch and do some window shopping.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you.
at this. It's huge. It's the best acai bowl in Sydney.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up.
So Dad made a cocktail in the Easter Bunny. It's like a, is it an espresso martini? It's so good. Wow.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not lose? Not lose.
Mama's gonna die.
Blue dude,
I'm so scared.
bad mood.
Yeah.
Sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue moon, been one or two since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, I get so.
Chow pen is really good. It gives you a lot of speed. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my reasons.